Use a salad spinner. A salad spinner is a salad lover's friend. It is invented for people who love preparing and eating salad without the trouble of drying water off the greens. The idea behind salad spinner is simple. You put the greens, lettuce for example, in the spinner, and by manually operating the spinner, the water drains off, leaving the greens practically dry. It's quite easy to use, and to help you, here's a step-by-step guide. Rinse the salad greens. First, get the strainer from the salad spinner. Put all your salad ingredients in it. Then, rinse your greens with running water. Make sure all your salad ingredients are in a bite size. Place the strainer back into the salad spinner. When done rinsing, place the strainer back into the spinner bowl with all the freshly rinsed salad ingredients. Put the lid on afterwards. Remember not to overfill the salad spinner. Otherwise, it will have a hard time doing its job. Manually manipulate the spinner. How to do this depends on the type of your spinner. If yours has knobs, carefully turn the knob so that the salad spinner moves in a circular motion to release the excess water. The excess water will then flow into the spinner bowl, which rests below the strainer. If your salad spinner is operated with a pump action, just press the button on the lid and the spinner will work to get rid of the excess water. Let the spinner do its job for 10 to 30 seconds. Take the salad ingredients from the strainer. Open the lid. Take the strainer out and transfer the salad ingredients into a salad bowl. Now, whip the salad up with your favorite salad dressing. Add cheese, croutons, corn tidbits, and your other favorite toppings. Store the greens in the salad spinner. Aside from drying your greens, the salad spinner can also be used to store your salad ingredients. Just put the greens in the strainer, cover the salad spinner with the lid, and put it in the refrigerator. Take the greens out whenever you are ready to prepare fresh salad. With a salad spinner, you can prepare your fresh salad in about 5 to 10 minutes. Contrast this to how you did things before, when you had to pat dry the salad ingredients or wait until the blots of excess water evaporate. Now with a salad spinner, you can save a few minutes of your time and perhaps do a lot of other things. What's nice about salad spinners is that they are pretty inexpensive. You can buy one for around $10. But if you like bigger and tougher salad spinners, you will have to consider buying one that costs around $100. Whichever you choose, Remember to be very particular with the quality. Others are made of plastic, while a number of manufacturers also produce stainless steel salad spinners. Some salad spinners are also dishwasher safe, so that adds to the functionality of the tool and the convenience of using it.